the left side of the screen, you can see the date and the time of the recording and the temperature recorded by the logger. To zoom, just select the section of your interest by holding the left button pressed. To unzoom, right-click on a value on the table and press Unzoom. To modify the grid, select the field Temperature Grid and type in a value. Then press on the magnifying glass icon to see the temperature grid in the graph. You can do the same thing for the time grid. This box shows the result of lethality calculation from the set parameters and some statistics such as minimum and maximum. Another interesting feature is the possibility to insert markers directly on the graph by simply clicking the points on the graph and then click on the plus icon. It's also possible to give names to the markers. We typed Start and End. Statistics and analysis will be calculated on the chosen section. Markers can also be set directly on the table by clicking on the first acquisition of your interest and scrolling down to the last value. Keeping the Shift key pressed, click on the right button of your mouse and click on Set Markers. The markers will be shown in a graph and you can give them a name. Statistics and analysis will be calculated on the chosen section. At the end of the mission, it is also possible to write notes by clicking in the box in the bottom left corner.